Okay, enough with the nonsense. Let's get into the charts. Today we're going to be discussing two scenarios on the chart, one bullish and one bearish. And at the end of the video, we're going to be doing trade possibilities like usual. Now, starting off on the 4-hourly time frame for the bullish scenario. Now, the bullish scenario, or actually a little bit bearish for now, but bullish in the long term, we have a W, X, and an uncompleted Y. Now, a WX uncompleted Y means we are still in this three-wave structure of Y with one more low that should come. Now, I have counted out the move like this on the hourly time frame. We can actually go to the 30-minute to see clearer. Now, this is the move in the C wave so far. We have a leading contracting diagonal in wave 1, in three-wave moves in each structure, as you can see here. Everything here is three waves. Now, then we have a very shallow wave 2, a wave 3 coming down, forming that low that we saw yesterday, and then this wave 4 that we are currently in, with an invalidation at 58,659. Now, this means after this move here in this wave 4, we should see one more move to the downside. In confluence with this, there is a very, very strong trend line here that started on the daily time frame here, as you can see here. This trend line is literally the bull market trend line at the moment, and possible resistance off that line is very likely. So that is the bullish or long-term bullish scenario, but bearish scenario for now. Now, on the short-term bullish scenario, we have this count: a finished WXY structure with the low being in yesterday. Now, what that means is we should from here be seeing impulsive structures to the upside. So if we go to the 30-minute time frame, we should be able to try count this. Now, there's been lots of overlap in this 30-minute time frame from where the low has been made. This is also a very deep wave 2 if you were to count it that. 1, 2 coming very deep, 3 overlap in 4, 5 multiple overlap here. It's not very pretty for an impulse to the upside like we would want to see. So we have this count at the moment, which is a contracting leading diagonal, which means every move is a three-wave structure, as you can see here. Now we should get a B, C to the 4-wave and an A, B, C to the 5-wave, followed by a wave 2, and then blast off in that wave 3. But I'll keep you guys updated. So that is the bullish scenario at the moment. Now, on actually a third scenario that I want to talk about is the incredible bearish scenario. This means that we have a wave 1 to the downside, 2 up, and are now seeing massive continuation to the downside with a 1, 2 in the third wave. The issue with this is this yellow wave 2 touched the 886, a very uncommon target for a wave 2. This blue wave 2 touched the 886, also uncommon target for wave 2. So at the moment this is looking unlikely, but I do just want you guys to be aware so that you know that if price falls even lower, this is still a possible scenario. Those are the three scenarios that I wanted to be talking about today. Now, for trade possibilities in this price region. At the moment, we are on our main scenario here, which we expect one more low in that C wave. So starting on the 4-hourly time frame, I would invest from the trend line area. This is the area we expect massive support in confluence with the 1.236 of the C wave, measured from the high of the A wave to the bottom to the top of the B wave. This is the 1.236. Now, in confluence with this, we have the Y target sitting at 50,630 to 44,020. This is measured from the top of the Y wave W wave to the bottom of the W wave to the X wave. If I show you here, we can find this here. We top of W to bottom of W to top of X. Now if I toggle that 1.236 on, you will see it lines up with our current target. Now that is the target for the wave 4 trade, trading off this trend line. Now on the 1 hour time frame, we still see no trade. Similar to yesterday, things are happening too fast, knives are falling in crypto. This move was a massive, almost 30% move to the downside, and it is still dangerous because we don't know if Bitcoin has yet turned. Now, so on the hourly time frame, I would invest the same as the 4 hourly time frame, trading off that main trend line. Then on the 15-minute time frame, we have the same trade from yesterday, a short from this wave 4 target box. This wave 4 target box is from the top of the wave 2 to the bottom of the wave 3, as you can see they're overlapping perfectly. Now this is the wave 4 target with an invalidation at 58,659. That would be where your stop loss sits, and we are targeting that last one more move down in that wave 5 to where price reaches that trend line. Thanks guys so much for watching. If you guys want more intraday updates, please look at the Discord channel. I post 3 updates a day here. We also have a new channel going on, an education channel, where I'm starting to post every type of Elliott Wave structure, and with photos and targets and rules that you guys can follow and learn. But that's all for Max Trades Crypto today. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers guys.